We'll be featuring our sewer outlet connection. This is a RV outlet connection. Very similar to many travel trailers and motorhomes that we see. It's the exit for our black water tank. So it will extract everything from our black water tank. It's actually gravity fed. So when you pull on this handle here, it will begin to dump everything from your black water tank. Now make sure that you're doing this at an approved dump site. It's a twist and lock. So when you go to put this on, you'll simply twist it to lock it in position. You'll take this section of the hose here and you'll place it down into the dump site, and you'll then pull on the handle and you'll have everything that'll begin to be extracted from the black water tank. You can keep an eye on that by going to your systems monitor, which is in the rear of the coach here, just across from your toilet. You can look at your systems monitor to see that when it's empty, or to just track it as it begins to go from full, 3/4, half, to eventually empty. Important to make sure you keep an eye on that, as well as if you feel on the hose, you can tell when it's getting to the point of being finished. And in some of our Midwest vans, we also have a sewer flush. On this particular unit, we don't. If you do have the sewer flush on your unit, when you're all finished, you can actually hook up a hose to the sewer flush connection point, turn on the city water spigot, and it will begin to clean out the inside of your black tank. And then if you have a black and gray tank, your gray tank would be for your sinks, showers, soapy water, etc. If you have the gray tank, you always follow by dumping the gray tank second, so that way it cleans out the hose. In this case, what we would do is we just dump our tank, and then what I would suggest is actually taking some extra water and putting it down your toilet, and that way it would begin to get anything that maybe was left behind. And then that would probably be the best solution for making sure that your black water tank is clear, unless you have, of course, the sewer flush. When you're finished, you'll close off the valve, take this off. Now it's also important when doing this to keep on hand some gloves, whether that be rubber gloves or, like in this instance, we just have some latex gloves. Very important to have these on hand, just in case there's an accident and you need to do some cleanup. Good idea not to get it on your hands. And then you'd want to store this away in an area where you feel comfortable putting it, so it's not getting anything dirty. Maybe even taking a hose and cleaning off the hose before you put it away. And that's how we use our sewer outlet connection.